Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for software engineers. First, set up your workspace by creating a main page for your engineering team. Then, establish a clear hierarchy for projects, tasks, and documentation. You can customize templates to fit your team's specific needs, ensuring everyone understands the system. This foundational step is crucial for maximizing productivity and maintaining an organized development environment. Managing projects and tasks effectively is key for any engineering team. Start by building a robust project database in Notion, defining properties such as status, priority, and assigned to. Link individual tasks to their respective projects, providing a clear overview of dependencies. Visual tools like Kanban boards or timeline views help track progress at a glance, ensuring no task falls through the cracks. This structured approach enhances accountability and keeps everyone aligned. A well-maintained knowledge base is invaluable for software engineers. Notion allows you to centralize all your technical documentation, from API specifications to architectural diagrams. Build a searchable repository where team members can quickly find answers and share insights. Utilize templates for consistent formatting across all documents, making information easy to digest. You can even embed code blocks and diagrams directly, creating a rich and interactive learning environment for your team. Collaboration is effortless with Notion's sharing and commenting features. You can share specific pages or entire databases with team members, controlling access levels precisely. Real-time comments on tasks and documents facilitate quick feedback loops and discussions. Furthermore, Notion integrates with many popular developer tools, such as GitHub for code management or Slack for communication. These integrations streamline your workflow, ensuring information flows smoothly across all platforms and keeping everyone informed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.